Hi, my name is Caroline. I work in the aged care sector myself. I'm a relationship manager for my home care group. I'm also a holistic therapist. I'm an accredited mindfulness teacher, accredited by the British Psychological Society. I'm a therapeutic art teacher. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist using CBT and solutions-focused brief therapy. And I'm a qualifying mental health counsellor with the Australian Institute of Professional Counsellors, specialising in grief and loss. And I just wanted to share with you that I work in the aged care sector and I know how tough it's been for everyone. And I just want to say a big shout out to my wonderful industry peers who I am so delighted that I work in this industry with. You are the heart and soul of this industry. You work so hard and I just want to send you so much love. And I thank you so much for everything that you do for our wonderful elderly. And to the elderly who are living in residentials and who are isolated at this time away from family and friends, I just want to share myself with you and share a couple of self-care strategies to help support you too. I would like to just share a very simple technique, and it's called diaphragmatic breathing. And you can do it anytime, any place. If you're feeling anxious because you're in a lockdown, you're in an isolated state, you're feeling lonely, you're feeling cut off from the world and disconnected, this is a really great grounding technique. It brings you back into your center self, into your breath. And it's through the diaphragm, so diaphragmatic breathing. And it's a very simple technique and it activates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve calms down the autonomic nervous system and gets us back into a great state of being, which is our natural state, which is the non-stress state, the relaxed state. This is 5-5-5 and it's a very simple technique, as I said. So when you sit down in your chair, I'd like you to take a couple of minutes to activate your vagus nerve when you're feeling anxious or stressed out. And you can do this by simply breathing. So first of all, you breathe in through your nose for the count of 5, and you can use your hand and count on your fingers. Let's give it a go. And you hold it into your belly, your diaphragm area for 5. And then you let go and breathe out through your mouth for 5. That is one cycle. And what I do is I count my 10 fingers, and that's roughly 2 minutes. And it takes 2 minutes to activate the vagus nerve, which then takes you out of stress response into rest and digest, which is where we need to be. And all will be well. Honestly, this works. You can do it anytime. Even out when we move through this COVID crisis, we move into natural life, or you're sitting in a traffic jam, or you're about to get on a flight, or you're sitting on a flight and you're feeling anxious. This is a wonderful technique to use, and it really is effective. It's a natural intervention to get us out of stress response, out of anxiety, and back into our state of mind, which is a relaxed state. So let's give it a go again. Just breathe in for 5. Hold for 5. And then breathe out for 5. Remember to count your 10 fingers. And then you've completed a really simple exercise. I hope that helps you, and I look forward to tuning in again and offering some more advice.